Hi, in this week's Tech90 video, I'm going to show you how to split data that's in one column into two. For example, if you have a spreadsheet that only has name instead of first name and last name, and you really want to have those in two columns, I'm going to show you how to make that happen. So I'm going to select the column. I am going to go to my menu and select Data. And I'm going to go all the way down close to the bottom and select Split Text to Column. Then it's asking, how do I detect it? You can leave it automatically, or you can click the drop down, and in this case I have a space between the first and last name, so I'm going to do space. And notice now that it split the column into two, so I can change this to first name and last name.